Good day to you. Today we'll be taking you through how to transfer money from PiggyVest to OPay or your Moniepoint account instantly. So first thing is to launch your PiggyVest app. Once you have launched it, you log into it by either typing your PIN or use your fingerprints. So once you have launched it and you have gotten into your dashboard, you look into your wallet where you have your money and where you want to make your withdrawal from. How are you going to get that done? Click on savings, and when you get to your savings, you have your options of where you have your funds. So if you have your money kept in the Flex Naira, you're going to click the Flex Naira wallet. Then on this page, you click on withdraw. You tap on the withdraw button. So here it is going to ask how much you want to withdraw. Then on the other hand, are you trying to withdraw money into your pocket app, or you want to withdraw into your bank account? If you have linked your OPay and Moniepoint account to your PiggyVest account previously, then easily you just tap into it, enter your security question, and then you tap withdraw. Once you have tapped withdraw, you put in your transaction PIN or password, then you confirm to withdraw your money. But on the other hand, if you haven't linked your OPay or your Moniepoint account into your bank, into your PiggyVest account, then you go to the account option, then you type into the bank account or withdrawal account. Once you have tapped it, then you have the OPay or Moniepoint account details. You make sure your account name matches both on the PiggyVest account and also your OPay or your Moniepoint account, because only PiggyVest only allows withdrawals to your bank accounts in the same name. After this, you are good to withdraw your money. Thank you for watching.